Good morning, welcome to Literature One class. As we all know, Literature One centers on drama, and we'll be looking at the introduction to drama. The word drama is as old as the society, that is, the human society, and the etymological origin of the word is derived from a Greek language, as we said, called dran. The English version is what we call drama, while the Greek version is what we call dran. And the Englishman or the Western nations copied that word from the Greek language. So it will surprise you to know that dran in the Greek dictionary is under verb grammatically. So also in the English dictionary, the word drama is under verb, or it belongs to the grammatical class of verb. And that is why in the Greek interpretation, the word dran simply means to act or to perform or to do. And that is what we point out here. So that's why we say that the word dran is from a Greek word called dran. And the same thing applicable to the word theater, which we call theatron. And these two words was first used by a man called Icarus. Icarus lived in the 5th BC century. That was before Jesus Christ was born. So the word theatron simply means playhouse or open air. So that tells us that the difference between drama and theater. However, the word or the activities of drama will be incomplete without theater. And of course, traditionally, drama cannot take place without theater. And also, theater complements the exercise of drama. So let's quickly go to the meaning of drama. Different scholars have defined the concept of drama from different perceptions, from different angles by which they view it or understand the concept of drama and also the concept of theater. So there is no particular definition to the both to the two concepts before us. So there is no particular definition to the concept of drama and theater. There are various definitions. According to Aristotle, Aristotle says that drama is an imitation of human action. That is, drama is the imitation of human action. So that's what we say. So what Aristotle is trying to say by this definition is that drama imitates the activities of human, that is the conventional attitude that human beings acts or the way human being behaves in their real life. That is what Aristotle is trying to tell us, and it happens to be one of the oldest scholars in the field of literature. And also, Olusola OO also defined the concept of drama as a literary composition that tells a story of human conflict by means of dialogue and actions. So this simply means that drama is to resolve conflict. And that is why every work of literature or artistic work of art is to teach didactic lesson. And that is what the concept or the phrase human conflict is trying to define. And dialogue and action is two points of the aspect of drama, because without dialogue and action, drama will be incomplete. Now, let's quickly go to the concept of theater. The idea of theater has been also defined by different scholars. But as we all know, traditionally, even in the traditional African society, I remember in those days, we always go to the theater hall to view and see the actors and actress or the company of cast face to face. So the environment that allows this is a place we call theater. And that's why theater is a building, a theatrical word adapted for dramatic activities. So basically, it means that theater is designed for dramatic activities. So in our next class, we'll be looking at the history of drama properly. So please kindly do your assignments. At the same time, we have the assignment there, and the assignment here is that discuss the non-literary and literary definition, at least 90 English words. Do we have any question? Any question? Okay, if there's no question, we have come to the end of today's class.